Steve from 2X Credit here to answer your questions. So this question comes from Paul in New York. Can I buy vehicles under business credit? Great question, Paul. Here's the answer. In the United States, it is possible to get a car loan under your business name. Now, you can't buy a car as a sole proprietor, but you can buy one as a limited liability company or as a corporation. You have to find dealerships with commercial sales departments because these departments specifically assist businesses to buy and register their vehicles. So do yourself a favor, stop into a dealership and ask if they have a commercial sales department, which obviously can make buying the car much easier. It's also important to choose an appropriate vehicle. For example, if you've got a catering business, then buying a minivan obviously will be appropriate. However, buying a Maserati could raise red flags with the IRS. So my advice, you should never buy a car for personal use through your business. Now, lenders will want to see a variety of financial information before extending that loan. For instance, they might want to see financial records such as your business balance sheet. You can also expect the lender to pull your personal credit history as well. Sorry about that, guys. Now, you can get a loan from the dealership, or if you prefer, you can shop around for a car loan from local banks and of course the credit unions. But always remember to state that you're seeking a loan in your business name, not your personal name. And of course, don't forget to compare interest rates and other terms so that you can find the most competitive loan that fits you. You shouldn't assume, by the way, that the dealership is giving you the best deal though. Obtaining financing from them might be the most convenient, but definitely not the best interest rates. So shop around. Your business credit, by the way, might not be strong enough to get a loan only in your business name. And some lenders will ask you to sign a guarantee. What this means is you are personally responsible for the loan if your business stops making payments. So think carefully before doing this. The lender can sue you and come after other personal assets in order to satisfy this particular loan. So, of course, make regular payments on the loan and always remember to use your business bank accounts in order to make the payments on the car. Why? Because if you make payments using personal accounts, then obviously it looks like your business is an utter sham, which of course it's not. So registering your car, if you use the car primarily for business, then you should look into commercial auto insurance. However, if you only use the car part-time for business, then in that case, personal auto insurance might be the better fit, so ask around. Also consider this: how many employees will be driving the car as well as you? Because you can obtain insurance from large insurers such as Geico, Allstate and Progressive if that's the case. And also check with local insurers who might be prepared to offer you better deals. And if you don't know where to look, reach out to the insurance agent who sold you the business liability insurance, which, by the way, I hope that you have. I hope and pray that you have. Register the car in your business name. Now, car registration differs depending on each state. So you'll probably need to show that your business has been properly organized by providing copies of your articles of organization or articles of incorporation. And you can contact the DMV for information about registration in your state. So send a member or at least a manager of your business to actually register the car and not a standard employee. The member will need to show their driving license and remember to pay all registration fees using your business bank account. Whatever you do not cut a personal check. Also important, keep a mileage journal if necessary. You might be using the car for both business and personal use. However, you can only get a tax deduction for the business portion of that. So if necessary, keep a mileage journal in which you know how much you drove, exactly where, for business purposes. Now finally, claim a tax deduction. The tax deduction rules are complicated and also depend on whether you own the vehicle as an LLC, a one-member LLC, a corporation, or a partnership. So whatever you do, consult with a tax professional for more information. And remember, if you do own a business and you haven't got business credit, guess what? It's time to 2x your credit. Thank you and have a great day.